gonna try over there. Hope I'm gonna catch some fish. Yeah, it's nice in here, guys. It's really nice place. Oh, it's too calm here. The water is there, here is too calm. So that's Flats Village here in Bermuda. There's a lot of coconut tree here. It's low tide. So I'm gonna try over there in the dock. Hope I'm gonna catch some. There's a lot of robin there, galunggong.